Hello guys and welcome back to channel. This is Ayush, and now in this particular video we'll be see how we can create the mini project using this AI tool, that is the ChatGPT. Okay, like everyone is aware of that what ChatGPT is. If you don't know, let me tell you first about what this particular tool. It is basically a AI tool which can be used by anyone for their own purposes. Like whatever you want to ask, you can ask it here. Okay, so now for this particular video we will see how we can create the mini project. Okay, so we will create one playlist of 5 mini project with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so let me just first ask the ChatGPT itself to what are the 5 mini project I can build in Python which you can build. So here you can see to-do list application. Okay, simple text-based adventure game. Okay, so we will start with the currency converter. Okay, write me a code for currency converter in Python with GUI. So let's see how it does. So here you can see it will use the Tkinter library. Okay, so it's writing the code. We will wait for some time. It's, you can see it's using the API, exchange rate API. Okay, so just wait. I just pause the video and wait for the completion. Okay, so here you can see the code is completed. Okay, now we will just ask the ChatGPT whether code is completed or not. Is the code completed? Sorry, instead of question mark. Okay, okay, code is completed, it's saying. Okay, let me just copy the code. Okay, so here you can see I've created the directory. I will just create the file with this currency converter.py, that is cc.py. I'll just paste it. And please make sure you have all these libraries installed, like request, tkinter, and all those things. Okay, so now I just run the file. Okay, so here you can see the currency converter here. uh, Let me just go with INR and to USD. Okay, it's okay. I just write the one and I just hit on convert. Okay, so we are getting the error, some kind of error we are getting. So let's see what are the error we are getting. Line 18, converted amount equal to amount into rate. Okay, here can't multiply sequence of non-int of type float. Okay, so we are getting this error because of what we can say, uh, data type. So I will ask the ChatGPT. Okay, so let's do. I'm getting this error. Okay, so okay, it's saying we need to add float here. Okay, let me just add the float here. uh, okay, let's see what happens now. I'm just running again. Now let's do INR to 1 INR to USD convert. Okay, so it's saying me that is 0.01 USD. Okay, and now let me just go with USD to INR. Okay, it's showing 81.63 INR. So now you can see, like, we have you have actually built a currency converter using Python, and that is without even writing a single code. So you can think of how you can use this particular tool. Okay, So it's not recommended to always copy and paste things from here. It's just for the demo purpose. Okay. So that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'm amazed with this kind of thing. Okay. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any query, you can ask us in comment section. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel. Okay. Thank you.